Hey my lovely friends, I trust everyone is doing pretty cool. Okay, you know where you are? This is Peculiar Hair and Styles. Okay, so in today's video you'll be watching how to do jumbo twist rubber band method. Okay, so this method is beginner friendly. Okay, so stay tuned and watch till the end. So first thing you have to do here, you have to make sure the hair is well moisturized. So you go ahead and pat out the size of the hair you want. Okay, so then as you can see, I secure with rubber band. Just secure like 4 or 5 times. Okay, and make sure you don't add any tension. Okay, let it be tension free. Yeah, then you can now draw. Okay, then you start twisting the way I'm doing right now. Okay, keep watching. So if you are new here, I welcome you to Peculiar Hair and Style. So don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Thank you. So keep twisting till the end. Okay, so when you are doing this style, you have to make sure you apply your product, so you will be able to have a very neat and smooth twist. Yes, then divide or part into 2. Then at the middle you place the extension and secure with the rubber band. Okay, then you twist till the end.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this.
So my lovely friends, if you are still watching to this point, I appreciate you. Don't forget to like this video, comment, share and subscribe for more if you haven't done that already. I'm going to see you guys on my next one. Love you. Take care of yourself. Bye.
I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go